If you want to record phone calls on Redmi 15, you can try to do that during a call. While you have an ongoing call, in the call menu you might be able to find a button that allows you to start recording this call. If it's not accessible over here, then you can also try to find it in more. However, if you are, for example, from Europe, then most likely you don't have this feature. It is available in some regions, and in some it is simply not. So in that case, if you want to record phone calls, what you can do is you can download a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and we can go to search and we can write something like call recorder or something like that. You should be able to find multiple different apps that in theory you can use in order to record phone calls. And in my case, let's say I'm gonna try to use this one. Let's see if we can actually use it on the smartphone, because in some cases they do not work. Yeah, this one doesn't work. Okay, so instead we're gonna try this one over here. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up. And yeah, and in case you don't like this one, or for some reason, I don't know, like it doesn't work or anything like that, you can try to use any other app from here. They are fairly easy to install. You just have to follow instructions that you can see on the screen in order to set them up. So over here we can press accept. Let's grant permissions. There we go. Over here you might want to set this call recorder as the default caller ID and spam app. Let's press set as default. There we go, let's press continue. Over here we can set battery saver to no restrictions, and let's go back. And after that we can also tap on the setting over here in the top left corner in order to make sure that the call recorder is enabled. We can also customize it a little bit if you wish to, but that seems to be it. So now you should be able to start your calls, and in case the recording doesn't have a good quality, or the other person is not heard well on that recording, then you might need to use the loudspeaker in order to properly record the phone call. But that might not be really the case over here. You just have to check it out and test it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.